Hello, my name is Dan Wikström and I am the HR manager of Acorai. Acorai is a Swedish medtech company developing what we believe will be the new standard in heart failure management. The problem in heart failure management today is inadequate monitoring tools. This leads to high costs for the global healthcare system, patients being diagnosed too late, and after being diagnosed, being sent home while their condition is still unstable. This often leads to readmissions. We know that the only proven way to accurately monitor these patients is through intracardiac pressure monitoring. But to date, only invasive solutions exist. The solution to this is the Acorai heart monitor, the first handheld, scalable and non-invasive intracardiac pressure monitoring device, enabling improved health equity and patient outcomes. The technology of the Acorai heart monitor is referred to as the SAVE sensor system, which includes our 4 different sensors: seismic, acoustic, visual and electric, and the proprietary AI system in the product. With only 2 minutes recording on the patient's chest, the solution can achieve direct estimates of the intracardiac pressures. Our claims are backed by a 400-patient pilot clinical study, which showed accuracies equivalent to the implantable devices currently on the market and higher accuracy than other standard of care tools, such as echo. Further validation of the product is being done with a 1,200-patient global clinical study. Customer validation has been made through over 120 interviews with physicians, CMOs, and administrators, showing a high willingness to purchase the device by 1, without the need for reimbursement, or 2, based on the accuracies we have been able to demonstrate. The cost of the device will be $7,500 per year per device. Acorai is targeting a global SAM of around $10 billion, of which the market in South Korea is around $350 million per year. Acorai is the only non-invasive device enabling accurate intracardiac pressures both scalably and cost efficiently. Our competitors are being either invasive and costly or non-invasive but lacking the direct measurements of the intracardiac pressures. To date, Acorai has received over $5 million in funding and is collaborating with accelerators and clinical sites around the world. We have hardware and machine learning ready. We have been designated FDA breakthrough device, successfully finished a 400-patient clinical pilot study, and have the solution protected by multiple patents. From now until Q1 2025, Acorai will focus on further clinical validation, regulatory submissions and approvals, manufacturing readiness, and initial market launch. Acorai has built a multidisciplinary team with demonstrated experience across medical devices, with experience from large device manufacturers and startups. The advisory board consists of global KOLs, medical device executives, and world-leading physicians. Current investors include heart failure pharma companies, medtech VCs, as well as private investors. Acorai is currently raising $4 million ahead of an upcoming $15 million financial round in the second half of 2024. The current round of $4 million will be used to finish our ongoing global clinical validation study, to finalize our hardware manufacturing readiness, and to do all the regulatory submissions. And to end this, I want to ask you to join us in transforming the heart failure management.